This is no longer distant. The US is now directly involved because recently a US fighter jet was down inside Iran and a rescue operation had to be launched in active conflict territory. That's not indirect anymore. That's exposure. That's risk. And this is where most traders misunderstand escalation. They think all headlines are the same, but they're not. There's a difference between tension and direct involvement. I used to ignore that difference. I'd see headlines, treat everything the same, and trade like nothing really changed until the market reacted differently. Because once direct involvement happens, the probability of further escalation increases. More retaliation, more uncertainty, more volatility. And the market starts pricing that in before it becomes obvious. But most traders don't see that. They keep trading the same way in a completely different environment. And that's why it feels random. But it's not random. It's the market adjusting to risk faster than most people can process it. This is the difference between headlines and escalation levels.